An OT tax code can significantly impact your income tax payments, but what exactly is it, and why does it matter? An OT tax code means you have no tax-free personal allowance to set against your taxable income. The O stands for other, while T represents temporary. This temporary aspect is crucial, as HMRC often uses it as an interim measure, while gathering the necessary information to assign you the correct tax code. Normally you have a personal allowance, which is the amount of income you can earn without paying tax. However, with an OT code you don't get this benefit, potentially leading to higher tax payments than necessary. So why might you receive an OT tax code? There are several common reasons. You may have started a new job without providing your last P45. Or perhaps you couldn't give your new employer enough information to complete a starter checklist. Another possibility is that you have multiple jobs or pension incomes and your tax-free personal allowance has already been used up. How much tax do you pay with an OT code? It's not a flat rate. The percentage depends on your earnings considering all tax rates. For most taxpayers on the basic rate, it results in a 20% deduction on all taxable earnings, similar to a BR code. Higher and additional rate taxpayers face rates of 40% and 45% respectively. When changing employers, failing to provide a P45 or sufficient information for a starter checklist often leads to an OT code being assigned. To avoid this, ensure you provide your new employer with your last P45 or the necessary information for a starter checklist. If you've had an OT tax code, you might have overpaid income tax and be due a refund. HMRC can adjust your code once they have all the necessary income and tax information. For the current tax year, any tax rebate is usually repaid automatically through your salary or pension provider. For previous tax years, you could be owed a backdated income tax rebate for up to 4 years. Want to change your OT tax code? Start by checking your personal tax account or using the free HMRC app. These provide easy online access to your tax code information. Remember, your employer can't change your tax code. If you need to make changes, you'll have to contact HMRC directly. You can update them online or call their helpline for assistance. Understanding your tax code is crucial for ensuring you're paying the right amount of tax. If you have an OT tax code, it's worth checking if it's correct and taking action if necessary. By staying informed and proactive, you can manage your taxes more effectively and avoid unnecessary overpayments. You can find out more about tax rebates and tax calculators at www.taxrebateservices.co.uk. The content used in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute advice. We recommend that you do your own research on each subject and take advice from HMRC or a professional tax advisor.